This is a lot of work. This is the beginnings of what's going to be a rice salad summer. I make a lot in advance. It takes me hours, but then it's going to go in the freezer and I'll have it for many meals. This is just the plain batch with Mrs. Dash garlic that I cooked very slowly in simmer. A Chinaman taught me how to do that. I like my rice kind of sticky and well cooked. And this is a combination of red rice and brown rice. Now this one over here, I have put in it organic tomato sauce and garlic, and it's just really simple with the organic vinegar, and that's going to go in the freezer. Eventually I'm going to make each salad's going to be different. I'm going to have greens and vegetables and peppers, and it'll be a vegetarian summer salad meal. And sometimes I put in some chopped eggs, cooked of course. And you eat it cold because it's too hot to eat hot meals, so I'm cooking it like 3-4 in the morning. And this is a combination of red and brown quinoa. It's extra protein. And for flavor, I just rehydrated some garlic chips and also onion chips. But that's just the base of it. And then each day I will add vegetables, red peppers. I have organic salad dressing that I might add to it. I buy that from Chris Independent. And I'm going to put in organic tomatoes. That's organic tomatoes. And I'm going to cook up some mushroom with onions, and I'll throw that in. I've got some baby red potatoes, which I will boil up and put in. Put any number of vegetables, and I've got organic red peppers that'll go in, and I've got chopped walnuts that will go in. So, you know, any number of, you can put any number of items. I've also got organic peas that all I do is thaw them out. They're frozen and I don't cook them. I put them in raw. And we've got here the organic mixed beans, and we've got some canned mushrooms if you like. That's okay too. I rinse them and take out the salt. And pineapple tidbits, any number of things. So that's just a sample of easy, simple summer cooking. But it takes hours in advance, but I'm going to have enough to last me like a very long time.